How's it going? This is Sherrod with Sherrod Sports Visas. For one, please excuse my appearance if it's a little rough. I assure you my barber is great as a barber, and he's even better as a person. Shout out DJ the barber. I just haven't seen him in a while. Miss him though. But I'm actually here to talk about an important, significant topic, which is the proposed, well, not even proposed, I guess I would say the tweeted travel and immigration shutdown proposed by President Trump. I took my time to kind of respond to this because I think it's important for me and to me. I don't want to come off partisan in any way, and I only want to talk about what I know, which is high-end employment-based visas for entertainers in sports. So I'll kind of just speak to that. For one, my initial reaction to the tweet is that it's just kind of confusing because in all circumstance and honesty, immigration is already shut down to the United States. You cannot really go and get an interview to get your passport stamped to get a new visa to come to the United States right now. So it's already kind of shut down, which means we have to ask the question that is he talking about something more than what's already going on, which would mean something like USCIS is no longer accepting new petitions, or they're just going to shut down that whole department, which wouldn't make sense practically because there's people already here that are in other status, immigration status, or people that just need to renew their visas that are already here. Also, the coronavirus is already rampant in the United States, more so here than it is in other parts of the world. So it's not like bringing more people into the United States would somehow protect the people that are already here from the coronavirus. Then the other issue is just economic sense. The high talent and the low talent that we bring here to the United States are truly jobs that there aren't Americans to do, and at least do at the level that we need them to. For example, our farmers get a lot of H-2B workers from all over the world to harvest the produce here. I can assure you, there's not Americans lining up to do those jobs. And on the other end of the spectrum, say for me, I do a lot of visas for the best athletes in the world. It's important for American fighters to have the opportunity to fight against the best highly ranked fighters from all over the world, just so that they can increase their own opportunities. And some of these other people happen to be the world champions. So that means if you ban immigration in some of the fields that I work in, that you're denying Americans the opportunity to earn world championships in their own country, which seems kind of wrong. And then the other thing is that there's just highly skilled professionals in places all over, all industries that we just absolutely need. And you're not going to find other people to do those jobs domestically here or as well. So imagine that there'd be a major economic uproar if that were to happen. Then also when his administration has began proceedings for bans and things of that nature that's been too aggressive, we've always seen injunctive relief immediately in the courts when a lot of people file suits against this sort of thing. So if we know in the past that courts have granted injunctive relief for some of his more restrictive travel bans, if he does something like this, I think it's safe to say the exact same thing would happen. So I would like to encourage people interested or that are already in process of starting non-immigrant visa petitions to just proceed as normal. Right now, premium processing is not available, so you want to get in line as soon as possible on these petitions. And things are just going as normal. You want to get your petition in while they're still processing, just in case the minor chance that they stop. They still have to kind of continue what they have going on. We're still accepting consultations for athletes, coaches, entertainers. So give us a shout out if you want to ask some questions and learn more about the process. Again, this is Sherrod with Sherrod Sports Visas. Give us a contact anytime. Thank you.